Hi folks, and welcome to Masterclass. In this one, I want to talk to you about brake adjustment intervals. The trailer brakes on your MDC Caravan or camper are a drum type, and drum brakes need regular maintenance and adjustment. The way they work is there is a magnet, electromagnet inside the brake unit. When you apply your brakes through the brake controller, a current is sent to that magnet. That magnet then energizes and tries to attach itself to the drum. So as the drum turns, the magnet tries to catch it, and as it does, it pulls the magnet and the lever across. There is a cam in here which then spreads the brake pads out to make contact with the drum. Part of maintenance is making sure that the brake pads spread out onto the drum evenly. If you don't regularly adjust the brakes, what will happen is the pads up near the cam area will wear very, very quickly on that top edge. But the rest of the pad down around the bottom to where the adjuster is won't actually make contact. So your braking efficiency will be greatly lessened and the pads will wear unevenly and you'll be up for replacement a lot sooner than need be. So what we need to do is every 5,000 kilometers, check the adjustment on the pads. Now, by doing that, you jack the trailer up, put it on a jack stand so it's safe to work on. Make sure it's chock, can't move anywhere, and release the handbrake. When a brake pad set is adjusted properly, you should be able to feel drag on the drum as it turns. Not a lot, it should still turn reasonably freely, but you'll hear the pads dragging on the drum trying to slow it down. That's properly adjusted. If you need to adjust them so they do get to that point where they start to drag, there is an adjustment barrel down here with increments on the little wheel. And how we do that is through an access slot on the back of the plate, put a screwdriver or an adjusting tool in there, and we can revolve that drum. By turning it one way, you'll actually get the thread to wind out. It'll widen the spacing on the pads at the bottom until we feel that drag. Right now there's none. So to get it right, we need to adjust it up. Now we're starting to feel some drag from the pads. Few more turns and that will be right to go. Adjust it up until you feel drag. If you're not confident of doing this, take it to your mechanic. Your mechanic will have no problem doing it at all. It'll be a 5-minute job per wheel and you'll be out, your brakes will be running, no problem at all. You also have to regularly check the magnets for wear and that you have enough lining, that your linings are serviceable. So what you need to know about brake adjustment, every 5,000 kilometers, if you're using them a lot, perhaps you've been up and down mountain ranges and you've been using the trailer brakes considerably, you might want to get them checked at a lesser interval, but generally 5,000 Ks is right on the money for how often to get them checked. So for more great information, head across to our YouTube channel and check out the Masterclass series and follow us on Facebook so you can see each episode as it becomes available.